Get ready to unlock the power of natural oils for youthful, glowing skin. In today's video, we're exploring some of the best oils that can help keep your skin smooth, hydrated, and wrinkle-free while boosting collagen production. For centuries, these oils have been trusted for their ability to nourish and protect the skin, and we're here to show you how to make the most of them. From boosting elasticity to fighting fine lines, these natural wonders deserve a spot in your skincare routine. And make sure to stick around until the end for a special bonus tip on how to maximize the benefits of these oils. First up, we have grapeseed oil, a lightweight, non-comedogenic oil suitable for all skin types. Grapeseed oil is derived from the seeds of grapes and is a byproduct of winemaking. It's loaded with polyphenols, including proanthocyanidins, known for their potent antioxidant activity. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, preventing collagen breakdown and promoting a youthful complexion. Additionally, grapeseed oil contains vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant. You can use grapeseed oil as a moisturizer by applying a few drops to your face and neck after cleansing. Regular use can help maintain skin elasticity and hydration. So, give grapeseed oil a try for radiant, youthful skin. Next, we have borage oil, a lesser-known but incredibly impressive oil for fighting wrinkles and boosting collagen production. This oil is gaining popularity for its remarkable benefits, and it's easy to see why. Borage oil is extracted from the seeds of the borage plant, also known as starflower. This plant is not only beautiful, but also a powerhouse of nutrients, making it a valuable addition to your skincare routine. It has a high concentration of gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, an omega-6 fatty acid crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and hydration. GLA is essential for keeping your skin looking youthful and vibrant, ensuring it remains supple and smooth. Studies show that GLA can significantly improve skin elasticity, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and decrease skin roughness. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a youthful complexion and combat the signs of aging. Borage oil is particularly beneficial for dry, mature, or sensitive skin. Its soothing properties help to calm irritated skin and provide deep hydration, making it a versatile option for various skin types. When applying topically, it's best to dilute it with a carrier oil like jojoba or rosehip oil. This ensures that your skin receives the maximum benefits without any irritation, allowing you to enjoy its full potential. Hey, quick reminder, if you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe to Youthful Glow. It means the world to us. Moving on to carrot seed oil, a revitalizing oil packed with vitamins and antioxidants essential for collagen production. This oil is not only a powerhouse of nutrients, but also a versatile addition to your skincare routine. Its benefits extend beyond just hydration, offering a natural boost to your skin's health and vitality. Carrot seed oil is extracted from the seeds of the carrot plant. The extraction process ensures that all the beneficial properties of the seeds are retained, making it a potent ingredient for skincare. This meticulous process preserves the oil's efficacy and potency. It's a rich source of vitamins A and C, both vital for collagen synthesis. These vitamins are crucial for maintaining the skin's elasticity and firmness, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and promoting a youthful complexion. Vitamin A stimulates collagen production and improves skin texture, while vitamin C protects collagen fibers from free radical damage. Together, they work synergistically to enhance your skin's overall appearance and resilience, making it look more vibrant and healthy. To incorporate carrot seed oil into your routine, add a few drops to your moisturizer or serum. This simple addition can transform your skincare regimen, providing deep nourishment and a radiant glow that lasts throughout the day. Remember to wear sunscreen daily, as carrot seed oil can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Protecting your skin from UV rays is essential to maximize the benefits of carrot seed oil and maintain healthy, youthful skin. Sunscreen acts as a shield, ensuring your skin stays safe and radiant. Now, let's talk about chia seed oil, a true hydration hero that can plump up the skin and minimize wrinkles. This natural oil is derived from the tiny seeds of the chia plant, which are packed with nutrients and antioxidants. Chia seed oil is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid. These essential fatty acids are crucial for maintaining healthy skin and overall skin health. Omega-3 fatty acids strengthen the skin's barrier, preventing moisture loss and protecting it from environmental damage. This means your skin stays hydrated and resilient against harsh conditions, like wind and pollution. By keeping the skin hydrated, chia seed oil reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It helps to maintain a youthful glow and smooth texture, giving you a radiant complexion. You can apply chia seed oil directly to your skin, using just a few drops to cover your face and neck. It's simple and effective. Or mix it with your favorite moisturizer. This combination can enhance the hydrating effects and make your skincare routine even more effective and nourishing. It's lightweight, absorbs quickly, and won't clog pores, making it suitable for all skin types. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, chia seed oil can be a beneficial addition to your skincare regimen, ensuring your skin stays healthy and vibrant. Last but not least, we have camellia oil, a luxurious oil known for its rejuvenating properties. Camellia oil is rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids, which help fight wrinkles and boost collagen production. Replenishing the skin with camellia oil restores its moisture balance and improves overall health. Camellia oil is incredibly moisturizing and helps prevent dehydration, keeping the skin plump and supple. It's non-comedogenic, making it suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Use camellia oil as a moisturizer, serum, or makeup primer for a silky smooth finish. Here's a special bonus tip on how to maximize the benefits of these oils. Make sure to apply them on slightly damp skin to lock in moisture and enhance absorption. Also, consider using a gentle exfoliant once a week to remove dead skin cells and allow the oils to penetrate deeper. For an added boost, gently massage the oils into your skin in circular motions. This helps stimulate blood flow and collagen production. You can also pair these oils with a hydrating face mask once a week for extra nourishment. Remember, consistency is key. Use these oils regularly for the best results. We've covered 5 fantastic oils that can help fight wrinkles and boost collagen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. See you all next time.